In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add reviews to your Wix website. Reviews are a fantastic way to build trust with potential customers and give your site a more personable feel. Let's get started with this simple guide. First, the journey begins by accessing your Wix account. Make sure you're logged in, and from there, navigate to your website editor. Once you're in the editor, you'll have a canvas where all the magic happens. Next, focus on the left-hand side of the editor where you'll find an Add Element button. This is your toolbox for customizations. Click on it and a menu will appear, offering a variety of elements you can add to your site. This is where you'll discover all the tools necessary to personalize your pages effectively. Afterwards, move on to find and select the strip option from this menu. Strips in Wix are essentially sections of your page that can contain various design elements. Selecting strip allows you to create structured areas that can hold text, images, videos, and more, aligning them as a cohesive unit on the page. Once your strip is in place, look for the Classic option within the strip category. Clicking on Classic gives you a clean, sleek area where you can insert the content without unnecessary frills, which is perfect for keeping the spotlight on your reviews. Now it's time to add the reviews themselves. Inside the Classic strip, click Add, navigate to Text, and select Paragraph. This will allow you to draft the text for your review naturally. Here, consider what your customers would truly say, reflecting genuine testimonials, as authenticity is key. Insert the review content directly into this text box. Be sure to write it convincingly, or even better, use real feedback you've received. Up next, you'll need to include the name of the reviewer. Follow the same process and add another text element, but keep this one concise for the name of the person leaving the review. This step personalizes the testimonial, giving it a credible human touch. Once you have your first review and reviewer's name formatted, you'll want to have several reviews on display. Rather than repeating the whole process for each new review, you can simply duplicate the entire layout. We recommend doing this for about 3 or 4 reviews, which helps fill your strip with varied yet consistent content. Duplicating layouts not only saves time, but ensures design consistency across each review segment. And there you have it, a streamlined method to showcase honest feedback on your Wix website. Remember, a few well-placed reviews can greatly enhance user trust and ultimately your site's appeal. Thanks for following along, and I can't wait for you to showcase glowing testimonials on your site.